So please confirm either this is the controllable or uncontrollable. Why, if it is controllable, so why it is controllable? Why it is if it is not uncontrollable, so why it is uncontrollable? Anyone can tell me? Is this u is this equation x1 dot is equals to x1 plus 2x2? क्या यहाँ पर this x1 x dot is equals to simply x के फॉर्म में? It is not here. This equation is not derived by u. Okay, this equation is not derived by u, though not steered by u. U is not able to transfer the state from one state to another state. Yes or no? You
Yes, sir.
not, you can say, you are not drive the state. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in this equation, you can say that here it is possible. Okay, but in this equation, it's not possible. So that's why I'm calling you this is the uncontrollable. Uncontrollable. Okay. And see the one another example so that you can understand it the better. X1 dot x2 dot is equals to 1 1 0 2. Now प्लीज मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे कल 1 डाला है, आप देखिए जरा इसको x1 x2. Now the system is become controllable or non-controllable?
Sir, controllable.
Controllable. Why? Because
Sir,
हाँ yes. Why?
sir, we can
x1
control
dot is equals to x1 plus x2 plus 0 u. यहाँ भी 0 u है. And x2
but
dot is equals to 0 x1 plus 2x2 plus u. Yes, please.
sir, we can control x2 dot with as we have x2 can control x2 dot, and we have in x1 we
Indirectly,
have
you can
x2
say that
also.
indirectly we can control x1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, indirectly we can control this x1
Yes. So
dot.
indirectly we can steer or drive the x2. Yes or no? And then x1 you can say. Yes or no? And therefore the system is not can be controllable. Can be controlled. Okay, so there are two type of the test usually mentioned in the literature. Okay, for testing the controllability, right? So test for the controllability is our next lecture or next discussion, part of the discussion. Test of controllability. Test of controllability. And the most popular test is given the Kalman test. Kalman test. Based on the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. This test is derived based on the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Right? We will see the proof of the Kalman test. And the theorem says that the QC, the controllability matrix, the control matrix is defined as a B, AB, A square B, up to the A to the power n minus 1 into B. Yes or no? Rank of this matrix should be, please tell me. The rank of the matrix should be n. Yes or no? The
Yes,
rank
sir.
of the matrix, or you can say the determinant of this matrix is not equal to 0. Not equal to the 0. Then you can say that the system is
Controllable.
controllable. But how this is formed and why we write this such type of the matrix, and what is the why we are saying that the determinant of the QC is not equal to 0 and then the system is controllable, is what is the logic behind that we will try to understand in the next lecture. Kalman test using the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. And second test is the Gilbert test. So what is the drawback of the Kalman test we will also discussed in the next, and then we will go to the Gilbert test. Okay, and after the two tests we will try to convert also we will cover the different types of the canonical form conversion of the transfer function or the state space representation to different canonical form, right? So this is the next part of our discussion, right? So thank you.